to give a ton of ride-alongs today, put on a good show, and drive the S550. We brought the RTR Spec 5 out because it's the ride-along machine. It's so reliable and really doesn't need very much maintenance. It makes it very easy to come out and very low stress to be able to come out and drive and have a good time. There's a ton of locals out here. The entire Drift HQ dudes came, so go shred, have a good time, put some smiles on faces, and take you along with it. Track is a tire killer.
Dude, it looks like it.
I'm like pedaling it and it's just rolling cold to be able to make it.
You came way outside. You like hit the dirt just a tiny bit. Just a little bit.
Well, I did that because Davey jumped behind me.
Yeah.
And I had a gap, so I figured if I go wide, he can get back on the inside.
Yeah.
But I think he just dived in.
Dope. Looks like it's working well.
Yeah, the car always works great. It's so good. It's easy to drive. It's got plenty of angle, lots of power. I'm trying to conserve tires for that. It's just a very long lap. All right, here we go. Ready to have some fun? Hell yeah.
Tires are dead. How many laps you got? Like 4?
Well, they weren't new when I went out. I think I'll get 5 out of new ones. Yeah, it's not cost effective. The track's really long. I'm probably 40 to 50% throttle throughout the track. It's funny because everyone who chases me like dives in and can't chase because I'm running such a wide line. And I'm like, just run the wide line. Like, a lot of people are chopping the track.
What happened, dude?
Dude in front of me just ran out of talent.
I saw it too.
Like, I should have bailed. It's my own fault. He was out of control, but he was saving it, and like, I'm like, oh, he's just offline. And then the last transition, if the track was 500 feet wider, he still would have spun. Like, he wound it up. There was zero chance he was saving that. And I'm like, I haven't talked to him yet, but when you lead, you just put a good lead down. You got nothing to prove. You don't gotta be like, we're not in competition. And like, he was just hot rodding like crazy, dude. Just floored the whole time, full lock.
Besides the door, is there like much damage?
Yeah, the quarter panel smashed. Glass is broken in the door.
Oh my god.
The over fender's busted. You know, this shit happened.
Yeah. No
sucks.
suspension components were
No,
damaged.
I actually throttled the last second because I was gonna hit him with the front end, and I didn't feel like fixing every single thing on the front end. So I added some angle into it and got the door I think I did pretty good, dude. That's
Dude, got some battle scars, dude. You mentioned duct tape in your previous video, dude. It's coming in handy.
It does. It just keeps everything together, so that way it doesn't flop off.
Oh my god, you can hear it, dude.
Yeah, oh yeah.
That's so much glass. I got a 2-pack and the new Boulevard set.
Nice. Sick.
That's a wrap for FuelFest. It was a really good event. I drove with pretty much everyone here, lead, chase. I actually got a lot of leads. A bunch of people wanted to chase me. I was like, whatever, I'm fine with that. And then I had a little bit of a altercation. Driver in front of me just ran out of talent for a second, looped it, and I had nowhere to go. I tried to avoid it, and he spun so violently that he basically drove in and hit me with the front of the car. So I was only like maybe 10 feet from him. So it was an interesting wreck. I tried, but I didn't quite get avoided. So we got a door, we got a quarter panel that needs to be massaged a little bit, maybe basketball trick or something. And I lost the side skirt, so I'm gonna go try to find that now. But overall, sick event. FuelFest, thanks for having me out. It was a good time, and I'm ready to go home and go to sleep. RTR, ready to retire for the night.